Do you know what plant this is? Come closer. Do you know what plant this is? Can you tell the name? It's aloe vera. Yes, it's aloe vera. And as Jamaicans, we call it Cinco Bible. Continue viewing as we will talk more about aloe vera today and the benefits of it. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Yes, it's Monday. Happy Monday to you all. And yes, it's the first Monday of October. And like I told you, October we know is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Yes, breast cancer awareness. And yes, there is hope. Remember the pink ribbon. There is hope. So yes, today in Monday Meds, we are, at least this month, we are going to be focusing on breast cancer awareness like we did last year. And if you have not seen those videos, definitely check in the playlist, or I'll share the link in the description section of this video below, that you can see all those 5 videos I did on breast cancer awareness. And yes, it is so important, ladies and gentlemen, that you do your self breast examination, or I would say your SBA, your self breast assessment. Yes, you got to try to do that every month. Some people say if you take your birth date, so if you're born on the 1st of the month, it's good to do it the 1st of every month. All right, so as we talk more about this, yes, there are some updated statistics. So according to cancer.org, yes, 1 in 8 women may get breast cancer. I won't say will, because I want to think positive that you will avoid having breast cancer. As much as we can try to avoid it by the way we live and the things we eat and our lifestyle. So that's the purpose of us doing this series this month. So yes, continue watching. We'll be talking so much more about the benefits that you can get from some of the foods that are great for breast cancer or for cancer preventing. And we are talking about the preventative methods on our series. And yes, this is your Monday Meds, and I am your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. So for those of you who don't know what aloe vera looks like, these are 3 suckers. This is how it looks. And yes, I am going to be planting these soon. So yes, in my next video on the uses, you will see it in a pot. Right, you'll see at least one of them in a pot. And you can see, yeah, they're soaking in the water. I got them from my cousin, and definitely getting it rooted, and then we'll be transplanting it very soon, or we'll be planting it very soon. Yes, so this is aloe vera, and it is a cactus like plant. So yeah, it's actually great to have as a house plant. Yes, it's one of those plants that are great for your house. So that's aloe vera. And yes, it does have prickles there, so you got to be careful. And yes, it has a lot of uses that we will go more into today. We're talking about aloe vera this week, so we will do part 1 and part 2. Today we will focus on the plant and how to identify it, and what are some of the benefits. And then part 2, we'll talk about how you can specifically use it. And yes, as we talk about breast cancer awareness this month, aloe vera, or we call it Cinco Bible, is one of those plants or that you can use to help you to ward off cancer. And yes, there are some names. There are other names. So there's Barbados aloes. Yes, shout out to my friend Alexis from Barbados, other friends from Barbados. And yes, Carol, shout out to you. And yes, so it's also called bitter aloes, lily of the desert. And there's, like we said, it's called Cinco Bible, also in Jamaica. And the parts that are used are, and this is according to in my backyard book, like I did give you information on it last week. and how you can access it. You can use, it's the entire leaf, yes, the entire leaf that I showed you in that video, and also the gel. So when you cut it, the gel inside of it is also good to use. So you can use the whole plant. All right, some of the properties of it, you can use it as an astringent. You can also use it as a laxative, and you can use it as an emollient. And yes, there are so many other benefits. One that I want to highlight is immunostimulant, and that's one of the things we're going to be focusing on today as we talk about aloe vera. So you can use it internally, so you can eat it, you can drink it. Yes, it's something that I don't really like because of the taste. It has a bitterish taste to it, but it is very good. And for those of you who know stuff that are bitter, yes, bitter stuff are great for you. Yes, sometimes we love the sweet stuff, but yes, the bitter stuff is actually great for your body. And so you can use it. You can use it on your skin, so you can use it as the gel. You can use it on your skin for burns. You can use it also in your hair. You know, you can use the gel. You can use it to wash your hair, to strengthen your hair. And as we talk about on your skin, you can use it if you have to do radiation, or if you choose to do radiation, you can use it on your skin to protect your skin from the damages of radiation. Not just radiation from cancer treatment, but also the radiation from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. As we continue into breast cancer awareness and how to use aloe vera, yes, so aloe vera is good to build your immune system, and yes, it does have chlorophyll. It's rich in chlorophyll, which is great for building your immune system. And according to the Rileys in my backyard book, it does help people with HIV. Now, remember, HIV, it's a virus that affects the immune system. As it says, human immunodeficiency virus. That's what HIV is. And so it does make sense that aloe vera or Cinco Bible does work or help to build the immune system and also fight off viruses that attack the red blood cells of the immune system. And so yes, aloe vera is one of those great plants you want to have in your house. Don't want to be out of aloe vera at all. And yes, as we continue talking about the benefits of aloe vera, yes, you can use it to aid, to build your body, that build your immune system, that fight off cancer cells. So yes, it is a great plant to drink, to make use of. Also, like I said, you can use it on your skin. You can also use it in your hair, and definitely add this to your diet. If you have not started doing it, you definitely need to add it to your diet. As we wrap up today, talking about the aloe vera plant is a cleanser. And like the aloe vera plant, cleansing the blood, cleansing the body, the blood of Jesus cleanses us from sin. And so yes, no matter what you're faced with today, remember that Jesus wants to cleanse you from all your infirmities, all your problems, all your challenges. Yes, Jesus wants to help you with these things. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Meds.